ought to go where he wants to go.
In 300 metres, enter the roundabout and take the second exit towards Eltham.
You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath
Enter the roundabout and take the
stone.
second exit.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend.
Take the second exit
sometimes.
to Fitzsimmons
Take
Line.
some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line.
300 metres, cross the roundabout, taking the second exit onto Main Road.
So don't let your fear decide.
Cross the roundabout, take the
That's
second exit.
how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the
In 2.2
line.
kilometres, then arrive at your destination on the left. The speed limit is 60.